Here we have an xBox One X that was mailed in because of no signal. Actually, no power. Customer said that he attempted to replace the retimer chip, but we tried the console and it does not even power on. Look at this. Customer attempted to replace the retimer chip, and this is what I see. Just wanted to make a video on this to show you the type of mess that we sometimes get in here. Look at this. I mean, I understand the customer is not a pro, but why attempt this repair? Why attempt this repair to begin with? Maybe it's my fault for uploading all those videos and making it look easy. The customer can practice on a donor board, on a dead board that he does not care about, but not on a board that he wants fixed. I see that we have a missing component here. It should be a capacitor. Anything else missing? I cannot tell if we have anything missing here. We'll see. We'll see. And this board is a mess. Look at this. We're going to get rid of the chip completely. We're not going to reuse it. The good thing is we do not have any missing pads. And now we're going to try to find out what the missing component is. I have a donor board here. It's a capacitor. Right there. And the job is done. We're going to reassemble and test. The console was not even powering on, and that's clearly because of the bridges on that retimer chip. So hopefully nothing else is wrong with this motherboard. We cleaned the whole area. Look at this. And everything is looking nice. Big Boss is reassembling the xBox One X. I'm working on another device, and customer mailed over the board like this. That's a PS4 board. And I do not know which one is worse, the xBox One X or the PS4 board. Who wins? It appears that we have a lot of missing pads. Here, 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 here. Big Boss told me the xBox One X is working. Yeah, it's working. So we fixed that one. I'll take a video on my phone here. xBox One X is working. All right, great. So we did fix the xBox One X. But can we fix the one that I have in my hand here, the PS4 board? Before we end the video, I want to go over some of the packages that we received today that we did not open yet. I thought maybe we can open them on camera. They came later this evening, so we did not enter them in the system yet. We have 3 big packages and a lot of small packages. Maybe we can start from small to big. Today, I think we got in over 40 packages. And I honestly do not know who's going to do all that work. I do not know. And I cannot seem to find anybody that can help. Anybody with experience, not just anybody. We're gonna start with package number 1. Mercedes-Benz fob. Key doesn't turn car on or lock unlock. And customer mailed the fob in this diamond-like case. Right there. No problem. We are masters in fixing Mercedes-Benz key fobs. So I can almost always guarantee the fix for a Benz key fob as long as the NEC chip is not cracked or broken. Because once I did a video where we had a broken NEC chip, and the NEC chip is where the programming of the vehicle is stored. If that chip is broken or cracked, it's game over. Customer must go to the dealership to get a fob. This one is coming express. That's an express package. Coming from Michigan. I think it's an iPad or some type of tablet. And it's an iPad. iPad mini 4, or it could be iPad mini 5. And the customer did not include any paper whatsoever. Nothing. Nothing at all. We just have to look up the name that we have on the envelope here, and hopefully we can find that customer. Let me just move those boxes a bit to the back because I feel like I'm squished. Package number 3. It's a box. And this one is coming from, it doesn't say, Phoenix, Arizona. And what do we have? We have this box. Hard drive. And I like the quality of that paper. Very nice. Device will not turn on. Yeah, right there. Faulty hard drive. And this one is not expedited. I did not check the rest if they are expedited or not, but it doesn't matter. Let's go over this one. And this one is coming from California, Los Angeles. Our neighbors. EVGA 1070 SC video card. Problem: not working after little spark. Then we have this package here, and this one is coming from Kansas. And we do not have a paper inside, but we do have one right here. We only have our terms and conditions signed by the customer, but we do not know who that customer is. An Asus motherboard. Right here. I do not know what's wrong with this. We're going to put it on the side until we are able to locate that customer. Let's put this one on the side. Now we're going to go over this box here. PlayStation. This is not an expedited service. One of the PlayStations, so we have more than one PlayStation, doesn't have any sort of way to connect a controller. Others just do not work. I do not know how many PlayStations we have here, but it looks like we may have more than one. Let's put this on the side. And now we can go over this package. And this one is coming from Minnesota. I see a bag inside. Actually, a couple of things. That's what I see. Just an empty box. Nothing fancy, just an empty box. Most likely a laptop. And yes, I think it's an HP Spectre. I think it's an HP Spectre. I know those laptops from their leather cases. It's a 15-inch HP Spectre. Yes. Right there. I'm 100% positive that this one does not power on or charge. We fix those every single day. Every single day. There isn't a day that passes by without us fixing an HP Spectre laptop. And we have this box. And it looks like it's opened. I do not know if we opened it or if it came like this. Oh, syringes. We have 1,000 syringes here. And we use those to fill Amtech Flux and solder mask. Like this. Okay. Flux and solder mask. All right, so not so fast. Just before I was about to leave, UPS came in and brought those two boxes. Samsung Galaxy Note Pro. Description, none, nothing. Customer just wrote Samsung Galaxy Note Pro. That's it. No information whatsoever. We're gonna have to see what's going on with this. It would help if we have a description of the problem, because I may turn on this tablet, everything is working, and we do not really know what's going on if you do not have a description. Usually on Samsung Note tablets, it's a Wi-Fi issue, so maybe that's what the problem is. And we've done a lot of videos on those tablets having Wi-Fi Bluetooth issues. So what's inside here? It's a big box. And that's what's inside. And it's a PS5. Ta-da! PS5. And what's wrong with this one? I have no idea, because I do not see any papers inside the box. But it's likely an HDMI issue. And I see a problem with the HDMI connector. Look here. There was a lot of stress put onto that connector. It's probably tipped over, and that forced the connector to break off from the inside. And this one is the original port. I can tell by this piece that they put on top of the HDMI connector from the inside. And just look at the edges. It's an HDMI connector problem. So we have a lot of work to do. And that's it. We're gonna end it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.